Hazrat Usama bin Zaid radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam came back from Arafat until he stopped by a pass, dismounted there, passed water, and then performed ablution and performed a light ablution. I submitted prayer. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The place of prayer is ahead of you." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then mounted, and when he sallallahu alaihi wasallam reached Muzdalifah, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam again dismounted, performed ablution and performed perfect ablution. Then the congregation call was announced, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the Maghrib prayer. Thereafter, everyone made his camel kneel down at its place. Then the congregation call for Isha prayer was uttered, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed the Isha prayer. And he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not perform the optional prayers in between those two prayers. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 3087.